My name is Sophia, and between you and me, I love chocolate. I'd eat it for breakfast if I could, and that's exactly why I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate oatmeal bowl. It takes about 5 minutes to make, so it's super quick and easy for students on the go. We're going to need a microwavable bowl, water, berries. I used defrosted frozen ones, but you can use fresh ones. Pancake mix, again, I'm using a dark chocolate flavor. A nut butter, I'm doing almond, oats, and a chocolate bar. Next, pour roughly a 1/4 cup of pancake mix and 1/2 cup of oats into the bowl. I generally just eyeball it. Now, add enough water to create a thick consistency when you mix the two. Once your batter is all mixed, break off some small chunks of chocolate and bury them under the mixture. They're going to melt in the microwave and add some sweetness to the oats. Let's pour our bowls into the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Check the consistency in intervals of 15 seconds after the initial minute and take it out once it's to your liking. Personally, I like doing 1 minute and 45 seconds because I like it really thick and cake-like. Now we're taking our berries and spooning them on top of our oats. Time for the almond butter. I'm taking a generous spoonful and letting it drape down onto the berries. Be sure to not drop it all in one spot. And there you go, a beautiful looking and even better tasting chocolate oatmeal bowl, perfect for students and those just learning how to cook. Enjoy!